Itapon ba to? Tapon ata to. Okay. Oh.
I don't know. It's like for parties and things.
For stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody done their stuff. They get on the box.
There's more like that.
Yeah. Oh, party stuff.
Oh, I need that little yellow basket down there.
Yellow basket.
Oh, I need that. Do you need it?
No. There's some light.
I don't need
It's
this.
too.
Oh, you can pop them all on the. I might need
And there's all boxes right there.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's pans and things back here.
Oh, shoot. They get pen.
What's that?
Oh, some sweater.
Jacket.
Oh,
That's wild.
let's see. Let me see this one pen.
Trying to find a ball pin so I can throw it at somebody.
Oh.
Upset with.
Oh, shoot. That pen.
Oh, that's a good one.
Right. Got pen right there. Sinong gusto ng kawali? It's hot for real.
I like it.
It's too hot.
It's very hot. I'm not saying let them go.
Wow. Itapon ba to? Tapon ata to. Sit down. Get down. Good job. Jackpot! That's it. Go get it. Slack. Let's go. Nakuha namin mga toys. Tayong pa oh. Ito. Kung nakabox na to. Toys din. Oh. Rocket water. Okay. Hi.
This one for Raycolina.
Hello everyone.
This is for Star.
We have a lot of softboard.
This is for Queen.
For Maycolina, Ate Queen. Oh, Ate Queen daw sabi ng anak ko. Oh, Althea, Dane. Who else? Who else? Luna. All the kids. All your kids.
Cereal.
Pero ang laki-laki, sorry, hindi namin mailalagay sa baby box.
Nico. This is cereal, Nico. And
How many pieces now do we have so far?
this.
More
More.
and more. I think I got 2, 4, 6, 10, 11, 12,
13.
13,
14.
14.
That's it.
I know you. I thought you still got more inside the car.
Oh.
So we have 15 pieces softboard.
This one is mine.
That's yours.
Yeah.
And what this one? Ganito siya oh. Rocket water.
With water.
Come on. Take this one here. Bring right there to that right there downside. naman ay parang chess. Hindi lang siya parang chess. Dahil pang chess nga. Pang chismosa.
Chismosa.
Put right there too. Huh. One more. Okay. Ano? Okay, be careful. Got two more. Make that one flat. More chismosa.
More chismosa.
Just box. What is this?
Oh, ladder ball.
Ladder ball.
It's like badminton.
Okay. Make flat. And what's this?
It's a ring toss
Ring toss.
for nighttime.
Another one.
A wig.
The wig.
I will put it on.
Wow. Hold on. Okay, put it on. And show to them. Come here. Come here. Let me help you.
It's too small.
Okay, come this way.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hi!
Hi. I'm Wednesday.
Wait. Then I see you. Okay, go. Bahala kayong dalawa dyan. At wala akong alam yan. Nag-chess na yung dalawa. Hindi ko alam kung nagkakaintindihan ba yan.
Guys, you can't do that. You can't do that. Okay, no.
Marunong din ba kayong maglaro niyan? Ako hindi eh.
Fawn can't take. Fawns can't take.
Ayan, mga ka-subscribers. So, ito yung mga nakuha namin. Ayan po, giant chess. So, meron siyang ganito sa loob. Dali. Ito. Ilatag ba? So, malaki siya, oh. Okay. Family time. Maglaro kayo ng chess. So, ito po ay 5 piraso. Pwedeng mailagay natin yan sa BB box dahil hindi naman gaanong kalakihan. Naka-flat pa siya. So, tamang-tama, i-parcel natin yan. Idagdag. And this one, light up ring toss game. So, pwede ito sa gabi. Para makita yung, ano ba, ring light daw eh. So, glow in the dark. Ganon. 2 lang yarn. And ito naman ay rocket water. 5 piraso. At isa nito, ladder ball. May ganito pa. Toys din ata ito. Yarn. At ito, surfboard natin. Napakadami. Kaya lang, hindi natin to pwedeng mailagay sa ating BB box dahil masyadong malaki. So, dito na lang natin yan ipamigay. Dahil summer pa dito. Yes. And, this one. Oh, wig. Ihalo natin yan sa parcel. At may isang ganito. At meron din akong mga nagawang parcel. At ito po mga ka-subscribers, meron ako ditong ginawang parcel. Ayan, 3. Pancake, lotion, Crayola, toothbrush. Kung ano-ano lang po pinaghalo-halo ko dyan. Ayan po, 3 magkakasama yan. 3 mananalo. At dito naman, ito, parcel din yan, 2. Nakabalot-balot, baso, tumbler, kung ano-ano lang po pinaglalagay ko sa parcel. So, ito po ay ating ilalive. It's either Facebook or dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, abang lang po kayo. At syempre, naka-follow sa 2 Facebook page natin. Mabet Slots USA at Mabet Dumpster Queen. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabet Slots Vlog. Bye! Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat and good luck!